You've probably seen videos claiming you can buy something cheap, sell it for more, and make easy money. This is called flipping, buying undervalued items and reselling them for profit. But the real question is, do people actually make money flipping? Or is it just another online hype? In this video, we're doing an honest breakdown. We'll look at how flipping works, what actually makes money, the risks involved, and whether beginners can realistically earn from it. This isn't a get-rich-quick promise. It's a practical test of what flipping really looks like. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of online income ideas. What flipping actually means. Flipping is simple in theory. You buy an item at a low price and sell it at a higher price. The difference becomes your profit. This can apply to physical items like electronics, furniture, or clothing, and also digital items like domain names or templates. The key is finding undervalued items. Many people sell things quickly because they need cash or don't know the item's real value. Flippers take advantage of this gap. However, success depends on research, timing, and understanding demand. Without these, flipping becomes risky. Why flipping works? Flipping works because markets are inefficient. Not every seller knows the true value of what they're selling. Some people prioritize speed over profit. Others don't want the hassle of researching prices. This creates opportunities. For example, someone might sell a used item cheaply just to clear space. A flipper buys it, lists it properly, and reaches a wider audience. Better photos, descriptions, and timing can increase value. Flippers essentially provide convenience and better marketing. This added value is where profit comes from. The most common items people flip. Some categories perform better than others. Electronics like headphones, gaming accessories, and smartphones are popular because they have consistent demand. Furniture is another strong category, especially small items that are easy to transport. Clothing and sneakers also work well if you understand brands. Books, collectibles, and vintage items can be profitable, but require more knowledge. Beginners often succeed by focusing on everyday items with predictable resale value. The easier it is to sell, the safer your flip becomes. Starting with a small budget. One reason flipping is popular is the low startup cost. Many people start with $50 to $100. The idea is to buy one item, sell it, then reinvest profits. This creates compounding growth. Starting small also reduces risk. If a flip doesn't work, losses remain manageable. Beginners should avoid expensive items initially. Focus on low-cost, high-demand products. This approach builds confidence and experience. Over time, you can scale into higher-value flips. The time factor. Flipping is not instant money. You need time to search for deals, list items, respond to buyers, and arrange delivery. Some items sell quickly, while others may take weeks. Beginners often underestimate this. The real profit comes from consistency. The more you search, the better deals you find. Efficient systems also help. For example, setting alerts for deals or checking marketplaces daily increases chances of success. Flipping rewards patience and persistence. The honest profit reality. Yes, people do make money flipping, but profits vary. Some flips generate small margins like $10 to $20. Others bring larger gains. The key is volume. Instead of relying on one big flip, consistent smaller profits add up. For example, making $20 profit on 5 items equals $100. Over time, this grows. The mistake many beginners make is chasing huge profits immediately. Consistent smaller wins are more reliable and sustainable. Costs you must consider. Profit isn't just the selling price minus the purchase price. You must consider fees, shipping, and time. Many platforms charge commission fees. Shipping costs can reduce margins. Even transportation to pick up items adds cost. Successful flippers calculate total expenses before buying. Ignoring costs leads to disappointment. Accurate calculations help you choose profitable deals. Risks of flipping. Flipping isn't risk-free. Some items don't sell. Others may have hidden defects. Market demand can change. Beginners may overpay due to lack of research. There's also competition. Popular items attract many flippers, reducing profit margins. The key to reducing risk is research. Check sold listings, compare prices, and avoid impulse purchases. Risk management separates profitable flippers from unsuccessful ones. The skill behind successful flipping. Flipping is a skill, not luck. You learn pricing, negotiation, photography, and customer communication. Over time, you recognize profitable opportunities faster. Experienced flippers can spot value instantly. This skill development increases profit potential. The more you practice, the more efficient you become. Eventually, flipping becomes a repeatable system rather than guesswork. Scaling your flipping income. Once you understand the basics, scaling becomes possible. You can increase inventory, expand categories, or reinvest profits. Some flippers specialize in one niche, others diversify. Scaling also involves improving listings. Better photos and descriptions increase selling price. Automation tools and bulk listings save time. With consistency, flipping can grow from side income to substantial earnings. Passive vs. active income. Flipping is mostly active income. You must continuously source and sell items. However, systems can reduce effort. For example, building supplier relationships or focusing on repeatable items. Some flippers transition into small online stores. While not fully passive, efficiency improves over time. Understanding this helps set realistic expectations. Flipping requires work, especially at the beginning. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often buy items without researching demand. Another mistake is pricing too high, causing items to sit unsold. Poor photos also reduce interest. Some beginners fail to factor in fees and shipping. Others invest too much money too quickly. The best approach is starting small, learning gradually, and reinvesting profits. Avoiding these mistakes increases success rate significantly. The realistic earning potential. Flipping can generate extra income, especially part-time. Many beginners earn a few $100s per month. With consistency, this can grow. Full-time flippers often treat it like a business. Earnings depend on effort, niche, and experience. It's not guaranteed money, but it's achievable. The biggest advantage is low barrier to entry. Anyone willing to learn can start. Flipping isn't magic, but it's a proven way to make money. Start small, research carefully, and reinvest profits. Focus on consistent wins rather than big risks. Over time, your skills improve and profits grow. If you found this honest test helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone considering flipping. I'll see you in the next video.